continue, we also discuss Srimati Radhika's 8 qualities, ocean of divine love. Sapta Sindhu Gunavati Sri Radha. Yesterday we also discussed Srimati Radhika's Vaidagdha Sindhu, an ocean of divine and expert humor. And also, now we also coming this place, the Chaitanya Charitamritam Adila, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also writes, the Radhika Prem Guru Amishisya not Sada Amay Nachay Udbhat. Radhika Prem Guru Amishisya not Sada Amay Nachay Udbhat. You check this verse. Radhika Prem Guru Amishisya not Sada Nitya Nachay Udbhat. Krishna says, the love of Srimati Radhika is my teacher, and I am her dancing people. Her prem makes me dance various noble dances. So yesterday we also discussed these things. How Srimati Radhika, she also used many sweet, loving words. And especially in Mandasa, she also used sweet words. We also discussed this katha also. Chuyo na Nilaja Krishna Amara Parira Nari Parapurusher Pavana Parase Sachale Sinano Kari. Giri Gya Jadi Gauri Aradhanam. Para पान करो कनक धूमे काम सागरी कामना करिते बेनी बद्रिका आश्रमे सूरज प्रयाग सहस्र सुंदरी प्रेमित करो न दान ब्राह्मणे करो दान तबु ना হয় না তোমারো সনেতে রাই সঙ্গে দেইত ভাতা ব্রত রাই অঙ্গে দেই সে হাত হ্যাঁ okay. There are two meanings of this poem. One in Brahmabhav, contrary mood, and another is called the Dakshinabhav, submissive mood. Both moods induct the Krishna to taste transcendental mellows by various manifestations of ecstatic love. The Sakhis of Srimati Radhika chastised cunning Krishna in Brahmabhav in this poem of the following meanings. O Nilaja, Nilaja means shameless. O shameless Krishna, we are the wives of the others, so you should not touch our bodies. And Hari Re Rasiya. You know the song or not? So what to speak to being touched by the another male? If just the air from their body touch us, we would have to bathe fully clothed to purify ourselves. We consider ourselves to be very chaste. This is very important also. Srimati Radhika, she heavy chastised to Krishna. O Krishna, if you want to meet with us, you have to follow some rules of regulations. You have to go to mountains and worship goddesses Gauri and smoke dhutra herbs. Dhutra herbs, you understand? What is that?
Yeah, like blue flower. Poisonous herb.
And but you should not. And devotees should not smoke the dhutra herbs. Shivji, he smoked or not? Actually, Shivji, he did not smoke. Those who are, people are thinking, oh, we are worshipping Shivji. Shivji, he drinks poison. So you can drink also poison. Shivji drank or not? And Shivji, when all the poison coming from the ocean, and when demigod and demon, they churn the ocean, Samudra Manthan, then lot of poison coming. And that time all demigod, they ran away. Even all the demons also ran away. So what will do now? That time Shivji, he drank all the poison. For this regard, Shivji name is called Nilkantha. And Shivji, he kept all the poison in his throat. For this regard, his name is called Nilkantha. So in the same way, some people are thinking Shivji, he is smoking dhutra. Dhutra is smoke. So you will also do this. So he not do this. Actually Shivji is Vaishnava. How possible Vaishnava will smoke? Dhutang panam striya suna yatra adhirma chaturvidha. And 4 places. And there the Kali Maharaj is staying. Which place Kali Maharaj is staying? Listen or no? Which place is? You don't know.
Where there's gambling.
Are you gambling for? Dhutang, what this look? Dhutang panam striya suna yatra adharma chaturvidha. Who told? Phala. You don't know what you would write. Only Srimati Radhika. First learn this. Who knows this story? You know this story? How Parikshit Maharaj, how chastised the Kali. Tell.
The cow. He was walking and he saw a cow being beaten and 3 legs cut. Is this the story? 3 legs cut? And then so he saw that it's being degraded, the age is being degraded, and he saw this was Kali Maharaj. Kali Maharaj. And he was going to kill Kali Maharaj. And then Kali Maharaj says, please give me shelter. He said, okay, you can stay in 4 places. You can stay in gambling, you can stay in prostitution, intoxication, and meat in slaughterhouse.
Where is gold? Where is gold?
And one, yes, and then and others wherever gold is.
Who knows? No? You follow? further story, very nice story. Small, briefly speak.
So, when Parikshit Maharaj he was ruling this world by the power of his sadhana and bhajan, so Kali Maharaj he could not stay because Parikshit Maharaj he was the ruler of this world. So Kali Maharaj he had no power in here. But then Kali Maharaj he's saying this is Kali Yuga. This is the place I should be. This is the time for me to come. But you are not allowing me to do my work. Then Parikshit Maharaj he say, okay, you have I give you 4 places for you to stay, and then in this place you have full power. You can do as you want. And these places are.
Why Parikshit Maharaj gave him shelter?
Huh?
Why Parikshit Maharaj gave him shelter to Kali? Listen very carefully. Once Parikshit Maharaj he entered in the forest to the hunting. Shikar. Then Parikshit Maharaj saw one cow. One cow was crying and very skinny. And behind one bull also there. Then bull was standing with his only one leg. 3 legs cut. Little cow standing one leg. And one very cruel hunter. He was beating the bull. Then Parikshit Maharaj, when he saw this, what is he doing? The Parikshit Maharaj became very angry. Parikshit Maharaj said, oh, why you disturb the cow and bull? And that time he told, I am your servant. You are my servant. Why you disturb do this? Then he told, I am Kali, because this is my time. And when Krishna departed from this material world, then Kali Yuga has come. When Kali Yuga has come?
Krishna departed.
When Krishna departed from this material world, then Krishna sadhamupo gate dharma jnanadibhi. So, okay. So now coming in this way, that time Kali Maharaj, he told, this is my time. So this is my duty. And every yuga's one duty. So this is my duty, to give the disturb to everybody. So I will disturb the cows and bull also, everybody. So cow is the personification of earth, Prithvi Devi. Understand? Our bull is the personification of dharma. So I destroy to dharma. 3-path dharma automatically destroyed. So the bull 3 legs cut. Satta, Treta, Dapar. So already this dharma destroyed. And Kali Yuga, this one. Kali Yuga, this is what? Always doing bad things. And Kali Yuga say, 1 leg bull is standing. That means that is called only truth, Satta. But Kali Yuga Satta also not shaky truth. Not doing. Sattam eva jayat. Or Prithvi Devi, that the Prithvi Devi is suffering. Because Kali disturbed her. So how do you do this? Then they crying and crying. So Parikshit Maharaj, he told, no, you should not stay in my kingdom. You have to go out. Then Kali Maharaj told, Kali Maharaj then completely surrender lotus feet of Parikshit Maharaj. Kali told, okay, you are now king. So I am your subject. So I am surrender your fate. So you give me surrender. They give me shelter. You understand? If anybody surrender to you, you give shelter or not?
Yes.
Follow? You have to give shelter. You think, oh, I am hungry, give me some food. Give food. You know this person is stupid, nonsense, rascal. But still you will give shelter because it's Saranagata. Because you are king. King's duty is what? If anybody shelter is Saranagata, he gives shelter. Surrender shelter. Then, okay, you then Parikshit Maharaj, equally he told, you give me 4 places. Stan. So what this regard, this sloka is in Dutang Panam Striya Suna Jatra Adharma Chatur Vidha. 4 adharma is staying in this place. Which place? Dutang means where is the gambling. Here people gambling or not? That is called adharma. Sinful activities. Dutang. Panam means drink. Which drink?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. And even you drink also tea, coffee, all these things also adharma. In the place of curry. Dutang pan. Astri means illegal, what is it called? Illegal sex. That has to be nonsense, rascal. Heavy chastised. That is called place of Kali. Kali Maharaj. Then third, a fourth, Shuna means the cleaning, killing the animals and slaughterhouse. Killing the animals. That is also place of Kali Maharaj. Parikshit Maharaj, he gave 4 places. But Punasya Jacha Manayo. Again, Kali Maharaj, you ask, oh, give me another 1 place more. Then Pancham Sthan, 5th place, the gold. Understand? If you keep the gold, then Kali also come in there. Kali's place is there. Or remember, how many places now? 5 places. Remember this. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Swami Maharaj always saying, if you practice devotional service, devotional service to Krishna, you have to follow the 4 regulative 4 principles. You know the regulative 4 principles or not? Who knows? You know?
Yes.
Tell.
No meat eating, no gambling, no illicit sex, no intoxication.
No?
No meat eating,
Meditating.
no gambling,
No gambling.
no illicit sex,
Okay.
no intoxication.
Intoxication. Okay, nice.
No gold. No,
Huh?
no gold?
Gold also no.
Gold, yes.
Yeah. Gold, where the gold? Also, Kali Maharaj. Gold only for Vishnu. And all the Vishnu temple, you can see in the top of the, what is it called?
In the temple?
Dome?
Dome. They're putting the gold.
His feet also. His feet also.
Lord Vishnu can take. He is Bhagavan. He has Sudarshan Chakra. No one come in front of it.
But how is gold different from money?
Huh?
How is gold different from money?
Money or gold are not same thing. Gold is which place will staying, that's where then. Money, iron, you say, you saying, well, there's silver, why not silver, why not? He asked the 5 places. First 4 places, then he asked another more gold. And you understand, these are things. If you have money, how to maintain your life? You understand this? You have to go to the market. Buying or not? How will buying? money in it. So this is no problem. What do you?
Gold jewelry?
Huh?
Gold jewelry?
Where the jewelry, gold there is that, mention is the gold. And Pancham Sthana, Sarna Sthana. Huh? Why the silver? Silver is not mentioned the silver. Not mentioned the copper. Not mentioned the steel, iron. Which is mentioned, you can do this. You understand? These are things. Huh? So should not use gold. A colleague Maharaj will come. This thing. When Parikshit, actual that day Parikshit Maharaj, he also wear very nice, beautiful and golden crown. Actually that golden crown coming from Sri Jarasandha. Then Parikshit Maharaj, then Kali is very happy. Because Kali is very clever. Kali Yug people are very clever. What clever? Stupid nonsense thing, they are very clever. Not clever for Krishna Bhakti. Kali Yug, human being, they were clever for stupid nonsense things. How to cheat two people. Understand this? They are very clever how to, they are thinking. So, actually, why Kali Maharaj, he asked to Parikshit Maharaj gold. Because that day, Parikshit Maharaj, he came in the forest with the golden crown. Not silver crown, not others. So what thing is thinking, okay. Then when Parikshit Maharaj approved, okay, I am giving this place. Which place? 5 places. And especially gold. Then Kali Maharaj, ha. He think, oh, now I am getting. Then Kali Maharaj, he also enter in his crown. And then his mind also disturbed. Then he came in the place of Samik Rishi. And that time Samik Rishi, he also meditating, close his eyes, meditating to Lord. Completely meditation. Then now Kali enter in his what? Crown. Then disturb his mind also. Disturb his mind. Kali is greedy. Then he become false ego is coming. False ego is coming from Kali also. Then Kali Maharaj, Parikshit Maharaj asked to Samagrish, hey, give me water. I am very thirsty. But that time Samagrishi completely what? Absorbed in his trance. Dhanastha. Again and 2 times, 3 times he asked, but he did not give answer. Then Kali also again manifested one form. The form of dead snake. How Kali is coming to us. You cannot see how Kali he will be come in front of us. Many ways Kali will come. Understand? So Parikshit Maharaj, this false ego is coming. Because Kali entered in his crown, or another form Kali manifested dead snake. So Parikshit Maharaj asked again and asked to him, give me water. But Samik Rishi completely entered. And, oh, you are not giving respect to me. I am king. Who is saying? Parikshit Maharaj, you will not listen. Parikshit Maharaj, think I am king. Why do you not give respect to me? Give water. Oh, you did not give respect to king. Why give punishment? Then Parikshit Maharaj, he took that the dead snake and put around his neck. Samik Rishi did not know anything. And nearby his son, that is called Samik Rishi's son, he was playing. Then someone told, some person also put the dead snake around the neck of your father. And what is it? Samik Rishi's son. Only small boy. He became very angry. Then he saw the dead snake around the neck of his father. Then he gave curse. You one who put the dead snake around the neck of my father, Sringi Rishi. So Samik Rishi's son, Sringi. They are small boy, only 3 or 4 years old. He become very angry. He gave curse in this way. You one who put the dead snake and around the neck of my father, and after 7 days he will be die, and snake will be, and this what is called takshak, very deadly poison. He mentioned this snake. What snake? And takshak. What is it? Takshak. Takshak means one kind of very poisonous snake. It catch in 1 second, and all the poison and spread all your body, and you will die. Understand? Very poisonous. If you go South America, and especially in the Amazon forest, understand? This type of snake, very poisonous snake. You heard or not? Understand? Some kinds of snake also there. They also jumped and going up the sky. And they also flying. Very this way, as like aeroplane. And per hour, they are written in there, per hour 40 kilometers. How many?
40 kilometers.
40 kilometers. They can also, as like aeroplane, one place to another place going. Very poisonous snake. And if you go Amazon forest, Amazon river, you have been, no? You did not go Amazon river. Krishna Balaram did not go, I think so. You went Manaus, no? Manaus,
No, but Belém is Amazon River.
River? No. This is, if you go Amazon, Manaus and, where are you going? Haraima. 2 times I went there.
Far north.
Very far from. Very nice. A big river, Amazon River. Actually, Amazon River cover many South American countries also, no? I was 6, 7, 9. How many rivers? How many countries? Cross.
What, the Amazon forest?
Amazon's forest and Amazon river also going there. Going
Did you
there.
see a snake? Did you see a snake?
Who is?
In the river.
Amazon.
When you went there 2 times.
No. I did not go to the deep forest, just city and little bit. Once also went in the Amazon river, hired one boat. Some devotee were there. Maybe few kilometers, not so far. We saw this. They are saying already. One kind of small fish.
Piranha. Piranha.
Yeah, I forget their name. And if you, they are very dangerous. If your blood coming from your body, very easy, thousand, small, they are coming and cut your body. You have nothing. If you take bath in the river, swimming in the river, and little bit blood coming, then they are coming. Many snake also there. Very dangerous. Yeah. Chalo. What did he say? Takshak. Takshak will come. That river, that snake name is called Sringarishi. Sringarishi son, Sringarishi, he gave the curse. The one who put this snake around the neck of my father. Then after 7 days, the Takshak will come. First snake name? Takshak. And will bite me and he will die. This katha is come. So remember these things. Very nice, beautiful this story is there also. Actually, we discussed about Kalistan. So smoking, to smoke, this is also the place of Kali. O Krishna, you have no birth in the ocean of desire and go to the Badrikashram and meditate on us. O Krishna, you have to perform pious activities such as giving charity to the daughters of Brahmanas during the solar eclipse. When the solar eclipse is coming, that time you give some charity and donation, then you will get some pious activity, punna. You understand? Solar eclipse or lunar eclipse, Chandragrahan and Surya Grahan. So people also give many charity donation and taking bath in the holy river, especially they take bath in Ganges. Understand? I remember in Mathura, when lunar eclipse, Chandragrahan or solar eclipse, then Gurudev also taking to us, chanting holy names. When, what is called, the eclipse completely what? No, go out. Finish. And that time we are going to take bath in Jamuna. Understand? And on the bank of Jamuna, many people they are sitting, then also giving some donation, rice, dal, people are giving also. And sitting. This is called Vedic culture. This is the thing. Even you go Navadvip Dham, some poor people are sitting. So people also taking bath in the Ganges. Then after taking bath in Ganges, they giving some donation. Why giving donation? If you give donation, then you will get some punna karma. Then next life you will get lot of wealth of money. This is the process also. You give or not? When you will go Navadvip Dham, after taking bath, give some donation to the people. Good or good or not?
Very good.
Because many people they are getting money. Many people also very poor and many people they are very rich. Why? Because the previous life, past life, they did many punna karma. For their money is coming. Those who are in previous life, past life, not giving donation, charity, how much money will come? Many devotees ask me, why I have no money, nothing. I'm trying. But money not coming. Why money not coming? Because this is the Shastra saying in this way. In previous life you did not perform any punya karma. Wealth, money, everything is coming from your past and punya karma. Srimad Bhagavata gives evidence. Learn this verse. Karmannopi arhumananam dukha hatai sukhaya cha pasyet paka viparja mithuna charnaninam.
Srimad Bhagavatam.
Srimad Bhagavatam sloka. Learn this verse or not? Learn this verse. Karmannopi arhumananam dukha hatai sukhaya cha. In this material world, people, they are performing karma. Why they are performing karma? How to destroy all the sinful activities and also get wealth of money. Karmannopi vana dukha hatai sukhaya. They are saying dukha hatai sukhaya. Dukha hatai means how to destroy the distress, unhappiness. Or simultaneously how to get the happiness. But everybody getting is what? Opposite things. Performing hard work. But getting unhappiness. You thinking I will do work, then I will get lot of money. But money not coming.
So many problems.
Hard work. People are doing hard work. Your money not coming. But that money is coming, very little money coming. So saying this verse, Parikshit Maharaj, Sukadeva Goswami quoted this verse. Karmanno opi arhumananam dukha hatai sukhaya cha. Karmanno opi arhumananam dukha hatai sukhaya. Pasyat paka viparja. We see. Pasyat means we see. Viparja means opposite things. Doing hard work or getting nothing. But little bit money coming. So why? Question is coming. This question arises. Why money not coming? This is the reason is that. The karma, previous life you did not good karma, so good result is not coming. So this is your fault or whose fault? People are blaming to Lord. For Lord, you did not give money. You did not give me this. Are you asked your karma, what you did? Previous life, past life. You did not charity, donation, nothing. Or maybe opposite way, you also, what is called?
Stealing.
Stealing. Stealing. So how possible? Karma's result is there. Therefore, every action is equal and opposite reaction. People not understand this thing, philosophy. Only blaming to Lord. Oh Lord, you will not give money. Lord told, previous life I gave you money, but that money you misused. Understand? I gave you lot of money to you. And that money you misused. In this money you also drank lot of alcohol and ate the meat, fish. So I'm thinking, oh my God. So Lord is thinking, again I will not give money to you. Because that money you misused. Try to understand. Many people also ask me, why not coming, Maharaj? Why not coming? Give another mantra. One mantra is giving. Chant holy name. Not chanting holy name. This is true or wrong? Only saying money not coming, money not coming. Money is coming. Chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Money is coming, then
Next life.
Eh?
Next time. Yeah.
No, this life will come. Why not? This life will come, and if you chant holy names properly. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha, samaya, pratiksha. From faith. Bhakti, stari, srata,
Bhagavam Yad.
Bhagavan Jadi Sat. Daivir Krishna Murti, Mukti Sang Muktanjali, Sevate Asman. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha, samaya, pratiksha. Eh? So you chant holy name. Bhakti Devi will come. Or when Bhakti Devi will come, then automatically Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Here Dharma means religion. Good qualities will come, Dharma. Artha means economical development. Money will come. Dharma, Artha, Kama. Dharma, Artha, Kama means many kinds of facilities you will get. Understand? Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. Moksha means salvation, liberation will come. They are all the four things are coming and told you. How can serve to you? But pure devotee say, no need. Chalo. And if they coming money, they will serve to Krishna. Understand? Otherwise you misuse. If you misuse, then big problem. Understand? Lord, He knows your heart. Because Lord, He is called Sarvagga. Sarvagga means one who knows everything. So that is His name is called Sarvagga. So we chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Money is not problem. Problem your mind. What is I saying this?
We all know that.
Money is running behind to you. Behind. You cannot see. It's just behind you. Just to turn your face. You turn your face or not? People are saying, devotee are saying, oh, money not. I am saying, money running behind to you.
Money is sweeter like honey. Money is sweet like honey.
That is invisible. Money is running behind to you, invisible. Understand? You understand this, Pulaja? This is the thing. Chant holy names. How many rounds chant holy names? Now 9 o'clock. Tell to me. How many rounds chanted? 0 round. Even not chant Gayatri Mantra or not.
Yes.
Many devotees, they are not chanting Gayatri Mantra. They are not coming Mangalarti. So how Basulmani will come? Tell to me. Only saying, oh, I am saying. You understand? So I am saying, hey, listen Gaura Govinda Goswami Maharaj Hari Katha. Heavy chastised.
No excuse.
No excuse. You are sleeping 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, not coming in the Mangalarti. Understand? So how possible money will come? No, every day you have to come Mangalarti. Understand? We are traveling so far this regard, Mangalarti too late. 6:30. But when we are staying in temple, if we go in Delhi temple, 4:30.
Mangalarti.
Mangalarti. Guru Ashtam also 4:50.
10 minutes.
Understand? 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before. Guru Ashtak and Prabhupada, everything. This is just 4:30, then
Altar open.
altar open and the Mangala, Sri Guru, and all they are coming. Maybe Guru Ashtak, not so many people. But when Mangalarti, Mangala, Sri Guru, then temple room completely hot. Or here we doing traveling, okay, because one bathroom, And people also, devotee also staying little bit far here and there. Little bit consider. Huh? Concession giving. But still not coming also. Many devotee. Too late. Understand? So, everybody have to come Mangalarti. Okay, late Mangalarti, no problem. Because we are traveling, we are not staying in one place. If we stay in one place, fixed time. Fixed time or not? Huh? Huh? So, Mangalarti, everybody come in Mangalarti. If will not come Mangalarti, so how possible money will come? Devotees, they are not looking their own faults, just blaming to others. Eh? Oh, money not coming, Are you know, every day wake up early in the morning and chant holy names. Before sleeping, chant holy names, and when wake up also chant holy names. Huh? Understand? When I go to sleep, also chant holy name. And put my, what is called, Japamala just in front of my head. When wake up, I'm taking Japamala. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Then you go to toilet, bathroom, what to do? Take bath and then Mangalarti. These are the rules. You make the regulative. Life need is what?
Regulation.
Regulation. These are. One day doing, another day you will get fruits. Understand? Spiritual life means this way. Then otherwise Kali Maharaj will come. I sleep more. Then Kali Maharaj will come. Understand?
What's the difference between Kali and Kali? Same, very similar, but different, right?
Kali is Maharaj.
Kali Maharaj. His name is Kali means
And Kali Devi.
Kali.
It's
Kali. That's the Kali. K.
Kali, yeah.
Ka.
Kali.
Kali means Kali and Kali different.
Kali.
Pronunciation look like sound same.
Yeah.
But it's different. Devi Kali. Kali. What is that?
Kali.
Kali or Kali.
A and small a.
Why so similar though? And different, totally different. But
It's
so
a different
similar.
word there completely. It's
Okay.
because for us it looks like the same. Like
Okay.
we don't have this. It's a different
Different
letter.
word,
It's a
different letter.
it's a little different
Okay.
letter. For us some say it's the same letter, but it's a different letter. The writing.
I thought for a long time they were the same.
So these are. Just I also explained. Kali Maharaj, how many places?
5 places.
5 places. First giving him 4 places. Then Kali, he is very clever.
He saw the gold.
He saw he's on his crown.
Nice crown.
Gold
I
crown.
want to stay there.
So I will stay there. This is the Leela. Then Kali also manifested another forms of dead snake. Understand? Then Kali Maharaj, Parikshit Maharaj asked to Samigrishi, give me water. But he is completely trance. Then automatically false egos come. I am king. Oh, you did not give respect to me. You did not offer to water. Then he become very angry and took the dead snake. Actually, who is that dead snake?
Kali Maharaj.
Kali Maharaj. Kali Maharaj himself manifested another form of dead snake and put in his head, the neck. Somebody, or in the meantime, some told to, what is his name?
Stringy.
And Sringi. Hey, look, your father. And want the dead snake around his neck. Then he become, that small boy, he become very angry. Oh, who put this dead snake on the neck of my father? After
7 days must die.
After 7 days, he will be die, and the snake will be biting. Which snake? Mention the name. Very poisonous snake. That is called Takshaks. Huh? Look at this. So Kalisthan, just everything. And here they also saying here, O Krishna, you have to bathe in the ocean of desire and go to the Badrikashram and meditate on us. O Krishna, you have to perform pious activities such as giving charity to the daughters of the Brahman during the solar eclipse. Actually, Surya Grahan and Chandra Grahan, I also told. During the time of Surya Grahan and Chandra Grahan, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. That time you do chant holy names. And after solar eclipse, then you take bath in the holy rivers, and then you give some charity donation to this. This is the process of. O Krishna, you are unable to meet with our Sakhi Srimati Radhika unless you perform the above activities. Very nice katha is there. Dakshina Bhav. In the Dakshina Bhav, the poem follows the meaning. Now coming in Dakshina, that is called the Brahma Bhav. Now Dakshina Bhav. O Bhadre, O Sober Krishna, you are the best. O Krishna, we are the best ladies. Why would you not associate with us? O Krishna, you are the best of sober person. We bath in the air that has touched your body. O Krishna, if you want to meet with the gopis of Srimati Radhika, you have to worship their breast, and while completely surrendering and always stay with them. O Krishna, you have to become absorbed in the heart of Srimati Radhika. In this way, you can fulfill all our desires. Fifth, O Krishna, because you are a connoisseur of loving mellows, if you associate with us, you can wash and away our, that is called Kunjala, Kajal. And you can wash our Kajal and Sindur to purify our minds, which is like that the immature young girls. O Krishna, only you have the power to meet with our Srimati Radharani, Srimati Radhika, and satisfy her. Very nice this katha. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Nitai Gaura Hari Bol. Gaur Premanandi. Now we'll take prasad, then little bit take rest, then we'll go.
University.
What time?
It starts at 12, so we need to go.
We should be there.
No, we should be there at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
Leave at 11:30?
Huh?
Even a little early just to make sure we have time.
Okay.
Everyone can go.
Oh yeah.
Everyone can go.
And there's
Okay.
water right now until seats.